The more you panic, the more difficult it will be to find your balance in the water. If you keep thrashing, I'll let go. Good. The sea is kind to clever humans. Is being mischievous what your hands are for? Are you scared? This is the lightest punishment you can get for disturbing my rest. The whirlpool only looks scary. When the current arrives, use its power to your advantage, just like this. Go with the flow of the ocean. Surrender yourself to it. It shall carry you to any place you'd like to visit. That's the sunset at the edge of the ocean. Golden seawater. The seawater allows us to view sunlight, which is something we can't see or touch otherwise. The ocean isn't just dark and dangerous. Every wave has its own unique shape, and every tide has its own distinct sound. The ocean has countless forms. It's not any different from the world on land. Did it sting your hand? Curiosity should always be paired with caution. You thought the jellyfish was beautiful? It looks harmless, but its tentacles can hurt. They do possess deadly venom. You won't survive the trip back. I see. You're still afraid of dying. Lift your arm. You want to take a jellyfish with us when we return? No. The Sea God's temple already has someone who's practically a jellyfish. I wasn't talking about you.